see what people are saying when they want to like move the camera mount down now? Because like I don't know what you guys are seeing right now. This is weird. And I'm trying to talk, but I don't even know if this thing will pick up my voice. Oh, no, no. Sitting duck. I'm a sitting duck. I'm a sitting duck. I'm a sitting duck for cops. I'm a sitting duck. I'm a sitting duck. I'm a sitting duck. I'm a sitting duck. Piece of fucking garbage. Alright, give it slow, okay. Alright. I swear to God, this engine's gonna break someday. I'm just gonna be fucked. Alright, we're heading back to my house. Should be a good day riding. Can't see that R. What? Am I out of gas? Oh, and if I'm out of gas, I'm screwed. Still got a decent amount of gas. I thought I did, but it still has some in it. I don't know why. Dude, this thing might be dead. I'm out of gas. It's alright, I just got one downhill. I'm gonna turn the GoPro. He's gone. Only downhill. Right. A little more. Then you got it downhill. Woo. Alright. If you guys are wondering, it's a go-kart I built out of 1-inch thick steels. Steels. Yes, steels.
Uh-oh, retard alert! Retard alert, class! Do you believe in a flying spaghetti monster too, Bubblehead?
I wasn't talking about spaghetti.
Come on, you're gonna have to sit in the dunce chair.
And a lot of JB Weld and jumping. We got only downhill. This is why you should never run out of gas. So hot. This is relaxing. Oh, we're going pretty fast. I should ride at this speed all the time. Oh God, we're actually going fast. Right. Please don't be any cars. Please don't be any cars. Well, crap.
Ladies and gentlemen, please rise for our national anthem, performed this afternoon by Peter Griffin and his dirt bike.
We just met up with some friends and we drifted out of there. Now I don't know where we're going. We got a bicyclist. He's probably like, I wish I had a dirt bike or a go-kart. Dang! That house is huge! Jesus! Oh, we're in the rich neighborhood now. Alright. I think this is like $1 million homes, I think. $500,000 homes and stuff like that. Dang. Shit, do I still have my trail mix? I still have my trail mix! I lead the way, even though I have the slower machine, because I know the roads. And then he just passes me whenever he wants to. Nate! Ah! So hard to call people on this thing. Alright, I don't know who those people were.
Who the fuck are you, eh?
Alright, the reason we're called Fast 4 is because, there's 4 of us.
No shit, Sherlock!
And when I get my street legal dirt bike, I will be going. Riding because we got bored again, because, you know, why not? I was thinking I was done, but we gave it like an hour break, and hopefully the cops just, you know, said fuck it. Or he didn't actually call the cops. One of those two, I'm hoping, is what happened. Ow, that was a mosquito. A mosquito just went like right in my skin, that hurt. Alright, well, there's construction over there. Where is he? Where are you at? We got Alex with us. I don't think you could see him because I wasn't looking back long enough, but... Alright, so... Oh! Oh! Carolina! Hey! Yeah! Alright. So many cars. Jeez, that one's weird. Alright, I don't even know where we are anymore. If I run out of gas, we're done. We're done, beans. We're done, though. Alright, get back here. I know where we are now. Alright, let's go. Are you freaking kidding me, bro? You dumb? You dumb? Like, boy, AB on a roll, F you retarded. What, do you see a ghost? What, do you see a ghost? We got the car line up here again. Oh, Corvette! Or Corvette, because my friends always make fun of me for not saying it wrong. Alright. Where are we? Where is he going? Where are we going? Where?
At the park!
Are you fucking... Oh my god! I got it on tape! Shit, let's go! Let's go! Home! Are you fucking kidding me, bro? Run, 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 run! Cops, 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 cops. So fucking happy I did not go straight. So happy. Oh my god. Alright. If you don't know, I already got pulled over once for riding. So if I get pulled over one more time, they'll impound the ride. And that's why right now I'm gonna do another build. Are you freaking kidding me? Are you freaking kidding me? Dude, what the fuck? What the fuck? Holy shit! Go, 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 go! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh fuck. Oh my god! Oh my god, dude! Oh my... Sus!
No telling what I'm finna beyond. Hey, hey, I'm beyond all that fuck shit. Hey.
Hey lil' mama, would you like to be my sunshine? Nigga, touch my game, we gon' turn this shit to Columbine. Ice on my neck, cost me 10 times 3, $30,000.